Good day, grade 3 scientists. Welcome to our lesson for Science 3, Quarter 2, Week 6, Day 2. Our topic for today is what plants need to survive. Before we begin, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Activating prior knowledge. Look at the following pictures. Drought happens when there is not enough water for a long time. It is like a very dry season that lasts for a long time. When there is drought, the ground becomes dry and cracked. Plants withered and animals have a hard time finding water to drink. Lesson Purpose Intention. In this lesson, we will going to plant mango seeds under different conditions to see how water, air, and sunlight affect their growth. Lesson Language Practice. Everybody will going to read the lesson language practice. Reading the key idea stem. Do you have plants at home? What do you do to keep them healthy? Have the learners place cotton on the 4 plastic bottles. Have them put 5 mango seeds in each setup. Have them place setup 1, 2, 3 in a sunny location and setup 4 inside the cabinet. Cover setup 2 with a clear plastic container. Have them wet the cotton in setup 1, 2, and 4 daily. Let them not wet the cotton in setup 3. Have them observe the plants daily and record their observation in their notebook. Developing understanding of the key idea stem. Here are the steps of what we're going to do. Here is the table that we're going to answer. Here is the possible answer for the table or for the observation table. Setup 1 has all needs: sunlight, water, and air. so plants grow strong and green. Setup 2 lacks sufficient air, leading to weak stems and unhealthy leaves. Setup 3 lacks water, causing dry, weak stem and unhealthy leaves. Setup 4 lacks enough sunlight, causing weak growth and pale leaves. Plants need sunlight, water, and air for strong stems and green leaves. Limited any of these weakens plant health. Deepening understanding of the key idea STEM. Have the learners draw a garden with healthy plants and color their drawings. Encourage them to include bright green leaves, sturdy stem, and blooming flowers or fruits. Ask the following. How do healthy plants look like? Correct, they are bright, green leaves, strong stems, no spots or holes, growing well. How do unhealthy plants look like? Yellow or brown leaves, droopy, holes or spots on leaves. What do plants need to be healthy? They need sunlight, water, air, soil, nutrients. What do you need to do to keep your plants healthy? Water regularly, give enough sunlight from pests, and use good soil. Making generalization and abstraction. Have the learners answer the following questions. Evaluating learning. Read the poem below and then answer the questions. Here is the correct answer for the question. Remediation. Gardeners use garden soil for better plant growth. Have the learners ask the school gardener how garden soil is prepared and what it contains. Great job today, everyone! You listened well, shared your thoughts, and work hard. Keep up the good work. Always remember to read, learn, observe, and have fun. See you next time!